There is your dirt bike. Whoa, look at the red and the green. There you go. There is your dirt bike. Do you see it? Whoa, look at the red and the green. Yeah, look at the bike. Okay, let's get it out of here. What do you think? There's your bike. Look, it's green.
Yeah.
Just like I said.
I need to cut this.
No, I'll get it out. I gotta do this. Look, I gotta take the frame out. Rip the box. No, rip the box. Get the box away. There you go. Good job, guys. Whoa, this is awesome.
Dad, look at that.
I know, right? This is the TM15 from Trailmaster.
Can you open this for me, please?
All right, we're gonna get this wheel on. Yeah, I got the bolts, the nut, the washer. This has gotta go through here. Yep, this has gotta go through. The small dowel goes on that side.
Big one goes on that.
Yep, big one goes on this one.
Yeah, whoever designed this bike's retarded. So that's the fastest it'll go, right?
Oh wow. I gotta get rid of it. Chicken wing, hot dog, and bologna chips.
This is your ignition. Okay. All right, guys, so right here you can see there's a battery. You gotta undo the 14 millimeter on the seat in order for you to access the battery to hook that up. And you gotta fill the engine with oil. It does not come filled. I recommend 540 or 550. You only gotta run the 10 winter weight if you're in a really hot climate all year round. If you're in New York, New Jersey, Northeast, Northwest, anywhere where there's a decently cold winter below 40 degrees, you'll wanna run 530, 540, and anywhere it's hot, you can run 1040, 1030. It doesn't really matter. The only difference between 1040 and 540. All right, there we go. Those two holes in the front, which is going to hold the front splash guard. This cable gets rerouted through here, along with these other cables. A lot of things got to be loosened and adjusted. There you go. It's satisfying. Look how new that is. It's your racing decal, right?
Watch this. Yay.
There you go. You got that one off. Good job, dude. You want me to help you do it? When you're done, I'll help you wipe it down. I got the cloth.
Satisfying.
All right.
Nope, it's not your satisfying, it's mine.
Okay.
This is so satisfying.
There we go. Last couple of ones are coming off. Good job, man. You're almost ready. Is this the color green that you wanted? Remember when I showed you the picture?
Yeah.
You finally got your dream bike. This is the one you were looking at for the longest time. Okay, I want you to do this and hold it tight. Hold that tight right there and don't let go. Yep, there you go. Okay, ready? Now pump it again. Squeeze. Multiple times. Do this with it. Keep doing this. Okay, now hold it tight. Ready? There, I got the air out. Now do it one more time. Pump it up. Keep pumping, keep pumping. Keep pumping. Okay, now hold it. Okay, good. Now let go. Let her. There you go. All right, little dude, get on or fire it up. Show us what you got.
This is the key.
Oh, yeah, you got a key.
There's two. They're everywhere. Why can't they come out in the cold time instead of the normal time? Why can't they never come out? Why do they exist? Put it on. Oh, I forgot to turn it. Check for me. Check for
Yeah, you got a power off button and the start button.
Yeah, but also.
You don't got to pull it or kick it.
That. Pull that off because it's a safety thing. That. Wait. And it works with this one too.
The key, the kill switch, and the safety strap. Dude.
I'm scared riding with these boots because these boots are too heavy. Should I take them off?
No, you can ride with them. Try getting used to it. See, I told you. All right, let's go to the trail. There you go. Follow me. Good job, dude. Hey, Xander, let's go again. Oh my God. Come this way, buddy. This way, look. Good job, dude. Good job, dude. Heck yeah. He's doing a great job, as you guys can see. Fantastic. Not only that, This is just the one path. It splits over there to this path. We're clearing this up a bit more. That tree's coming out, and those two trees down there in the distance that are really pinched, they're coming out too. And then we're extending this path right here all the way that way for about 100, 150 yards, and it's going to loop around the backside way over there, because this property line goes back there quite a bit. Well guys, as you can see, this is a sweet machine for your child ages 7 through 10. My son loves it. Big shout out to Motobuys right there on the screen, and be sure to talk to Bob over there. He's a really cool dude. He'll hook you up, take care of you. Check out all their line of Trailmaster bikes for every age and rider experience. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. Be sure to subscribe, tap the bell, give me a like. Comment below what do you guys think of the dirt bike and motorcycle content, and we'll catch you guys on the next upload or live stream. I'm out of here. Deuces. What are you guys doing? I know these videos are awesome. You know they're awesome. That's why you're still here. So click that link on that video right there, and we're going to continue the greatness right now. Come on, click it. Click it. You guys know you want to? Come on, right there. Click that link. Click it. Let's go. Click, 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 click.